Have you ever wondered why intimacy in a relationship can either flourish or fade over time? Does physical closeness simply stem from attraction, or is there something deeper that many people overlook? Today, we'll explore the emotional significance of intimacy through the insights of a 92-year-old woman who has spent a lifetime understanding love and connection. Stay with us, because what you're about to discover could transform your relationships forever. Before we dive in, if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on valuable relationship insights. Also, if you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. It helps us reach more people. Finally, drop a comment below sharing your thoughts on today's topic. Let's get started. The psychology of female intimacy, more than just physical desire. Most men believe that attraction is about appearance or performance, but studies show it's about emotional safety and connection. A woman's desire is not solely based on physical factors. It's tied to how she feels in a relationship. If she feels secure, appreciated, and emotionally close to her partner, intimacy flows naturally. However, if she feels unheard, unappreciated, or emotionally disconnected, desire diminishes, regardless of how much she loves her partner. Example, when love still exists, but intimacy fades. Think of a couple married for 20+ years. In the beginning, passion was effortless. They couldn't keep their hands off each other. Fast forward 2 decades, and things have changed. The woman, who once craved intimacy, now seems distant. The man is left wondering, what happened? He assumes it's aging or hormonal changes, but in reality, emotional disconnection has taken root. Many women don't openly talk about the emotional weight behind intimacy, but they feel it deeply. When she feels emotionally seen and valued, her natural desire follows. When she feels ignored, intimacy becomes a chore rather than an expression of love. One of the biggest mistakes men make is assuming that love, once established, will take care of itself. Early in the relationship, men put in effort, planning dates, listening attentively, and making their partners feel special. But over time, life gets busy, and those small acts fade. The emotional gap grows, and with it, physical intimacy decreases. I once spoke with a man who had been married for over 30 years. He told me, "I don't know what happened. We used to be so close, and now we're just roommates." When I asked about the last time he made his wife feel truly special, he hesitated. He couldn't remember, not because he didn't love her, but because he assumed their love was strong enough to survive without constant nurturing. The good news? When he started making her feel cherished again, her emotional and physical response changed overnight. This wise woman shared a simple yet powerful truth. A woman gives her heart and body fully when she feels cherished, protected, and emotionally secure. The men who maintain passion for decades aren't the best looking or wealthiest. They are the ones who create emotional security in their relationships. Most men think attraction is about looking younger or being better in bed. But science tells us it's about making a woman feel valued. When she feels emotionally connected, desire follows naturally. Example, how older couples rekindle passion. I met a man in his 60s who said, "My wife and I have the best intimacy we've ever had, and it has nothing to do with my age or looks. It's because I finally understand what makes her feel loved." He stopped focusing on physical aspects and started focusing on emotional connection, listening, appreciating, and supporting her. The result? Their intimacy thrived. Small daily actions that reignite intimacy. If you want to see your partner light up again, start doing these 3 things today. 1. Speak to her heart, not just her ears. Words are powerful. Instead of saying you look nice, say, I love how your smile brightens my day. Instead of thanks for dinner, say, I really appreciate the effort you put into this. It means a lot. A woman craves emotional depth in communication. 2. Touch her without expecting more. Many men make the mistake of only touching their partner when they want intimacy. Women notice this. Instead, practice affectionate touch with no expectation. Hold her hand, kiss her forehead, or place your hand on the small of her back. When a woman feels adored in small moments, she naturally desires intimacy in bigger moments. 3. Show up consistently in small ways. Grand gestures are great, but what truly matters are the daily acts. Refilling her coffee, checking in when she's stressed, remembering small details she shares. Emotional connection is built like a bank account. Small deposits of effort lead to deep intimacy.